How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you a little video, tutorial on how to make your own Voltz server for free. It is actually quite easy. Now it is. It wasn't before. It was really complicated before, but they've changed the files up a little bit. It's all like automatic and stuff, so it's a lot better now. Funny. I love the little recording system that I'm using. I can write everywhere. Anyways, in the end of this video, hopefully you'll be able to have your own little Voltz server for you and your friends to play on, or an open server, whatever you want. So what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to get Hamachi. Sadly, yes, I can also do another video on how to port forward, but for now, I'm doing the Hamachi video. Just deal with it. Don't go to Hamachi.com. I always do that. What you need to do is go to Google, just google.com or whatever, and then type in Hamachi download. Simple. You're going to look for the one that's on Softonic. Should be the first one. It says Softonic, Hamachi download. Alright, and then just click free download. I can also show you guys for the Hamachi how to get more than 5 people on a Hamachi server. Well, because you can have as many people on your server as you want. The only problem is you can only have 5 people on one Hamachi, like actual Hamachi server. It's simple. All you have to do is just create another server with the same IP and just put like the same title and then number 2. Simple. What you're gonna do first is when you're done downloading Hamachi, you want to hit the power button because it'll turn it on, and then you know when it's ready because it'll say your IP and then ready. You want to hit network and then create new network. You can put whatever you want in here. I'm just gonna put Voltz. Let me think. Voltz. Voltz test server, I guess. Something like that. You can put anything in for the password. You cannot put nothing, though, sadly. You cannot put nothing. There has to be something. I don't really know why. When it's done with that, it should be green, and then it's all ready. If you want your friends to join, they just have to hit network and then join. Put the network ID and password in, and then they're all good. Just minimize it, don't close it. Go back to your internet, go to technicpack.net, and I will also have the link for this and Hamachi in the description. You want to hit Voltz, view details, download Voltz server. That one. Don't download the launcher, you should already have that, but you want to get the launcher first. Alright. And then when it's done downloading, well, it'll automatically download. It'll go to your little downloads bar. I've already got it downloaded, so I'm not going to do it again. You want to just put it into a folder on your desktop, an empty one. Call it whatever you want. You want to hit extract here, and then give it a minute. Alright. What you want to do first is double click the launch. And this is what makes it nice, because you have to code it. Like in the old version, you used to have to code it and put all the different files in there manually and stuff. It's a lot easier now. Alright, I'm just gonna wait for this to load, and it shouldn't take too long. Now, I'm just warning you guys, for some reason, Voltz, I don't know why, but for some reason, Voltz only has 20 mods, and yet Tekkit has like 41. Whenever you're on the server, you're gonna lag. I tend to lag more than on Tekkit. I never get any lag on Tekkit. I can get above 100 FPS, no problem. I go into a Voltz server and I get like 30. I don't understand why. I guess it's just because I have all these programs running. Anyways, you want to right click on the server jar. Not the note, the jar. And then edit with the notepad. You can go ahead and change the name to whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Voltz server test server, whatever you want. Alright, and then you can change the difficulty. To make the first step to making the server cracked, if you don't want to make it cracked, then just don't listen for the next 3 minutes. You want to change online mode to false. This is the important part, though. Listen up to this. You want to go to right-click on the IP, copy IP4 address, and then paste it in the server IP. You have to do that, otherwise it will not work. You want to save it. Exit out of that. And then now, you can go ahead and launch the server. Actually, hold on. The second step of making it cracked, you gotta right-click on it. And then after Nogi, just hit space, and then /o space false. Just type that in. /o space false. And then it should be good. Hit save. Oh, and if you want to if you don't have a good computer or an old one, just lower that down to either there's like 1 gigabyte or 512 M or 1024 M. You know, if you don't have my computer can handle it though. Go ahead, you can delete that. Okay, now you're ready to launch the server. Shouldn't take too long. And you can, you'll know when it's done because it'll say done right there. If it doesn't, if it says like some kind of error or something, then you need to restart this all. Now go ahead and open your Technic launcher. I know there's a new version of the Technic launcher. I just haven't gotten the time to update it yet because I just re-downloaded this and then it came out. So go ahead and select Voltz and log in. Give this a minute to load. Anytime now. Alright, I already have one because I already made it a Voltz server, but if you don't, hit add server, copy the IP4 address, paste it in there, and hit done. That's what your friends will use, is that IP4 address if they want to join. And then just go ahead and log in. Give it a minute. Alright, there you go. What you want to do, well, just to prove that it is actually Voltz, you can see that it comes with not enough items. You can see that it already has all the different stuff. Steel pickaxe, you know. I don't really know why it wasn't allowing me to spawn it in at the time, but I was too lazy to go into creative mode. Anyways, the video's almost done. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and please leave a comment, rate, subscribe, anything, and hope this was helpful.